Okay, good afternoon, my people. My name is Donald Chukwunalogun. I dey report for those CBC. I dey I sell motor for Ogbowo here, and we don't come here before where we meet one Mr. Kigbe when they set up a recycling factory for this plot of land. And as at the last time we come, they do wiring and they do some small work for the place. So we say make we come observe today because they never bring the recycling machine then. So we say make we come see whether the recycling machine don't come. And as we come, we see say it don't come. Though they see they install and set up the recycling machine, but shortly we will see the recycling machine. And operations never really start because they see they set up they see they mount the recycling machine. So the recycling in the sense that you say waiting. Now, plastic containers, im go still give us small talk on that one. Now, plastic containers when like water, mineral and the rest, now them they recycle, they compress. So we just talk to am briefly before we go see the machine. So good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, Mr. Donald.
Okay, please can you introduce yourself again, sir?
My name is Achigbe. We don't talk before. My name is Achigbe. I mean, they run this place. They run recycling. They recycle plastic, what they call PET plastic. PET plastic, so now plastics like Coca-Cola container, Eva water container, and all those kind of containers. Yeah, we recycle them, which is as people use them, drink, finish, throw away them. Instead of me, they go carry them, go dump inside, go through, go burn them or do anything to them. We dey go collect them and then we dey convert them to other things where people they use till they make new products. That be the recycling. So for us here, so we get what we call baling machine or baler. What
Okay.
we do be say as we collect the plastics and such, like see these ones and so with the machine, so the machine be like compression machine. They compress the plastics then
Okay.
into small sizes. So
Okay.
now if we can go bigger companies where they Lagos, where they actually they convert them into new things where people they use.
Okay, so now compressor they compress so yeah.
Yeah, they compress them.
Okay, so and then when you reach Lagos, you get all that things where
That things where they grind them, they wash them, they treat them with some kind of chemicals, they do many things to them, they convert them into different things.
okay, so this baler, so now they take the compress them.
Now they take the compressor, yes. They turn out to bail. If you don't see like all those when they say when you go market now, they tell you say oh cloth bail don't come.
Yeah, yes.
That bail they where they compact, they tight. Now so they turn out to the compressor make it small like that with the tie them too.
Okay, so the machine don't come now. I think last time we come, the machine never arrived. But it don't come now. From what you tell me, say that they set them up now. So what thing I want to ask before we go view the machine, these containers now waste.
Now waste. Now go with the throw
Where people drink, where they throw away. So what is the effects or what are the advantages of this recycling?
Okay, so recycling it get many advantages. You see, now if you see these plastics themselves,
Yes.
these ones they are really problematic to the environment because unlike let's say if you cook now, you peel plantain, you throw away the plantain peel for outside because you know if you chop obviously, you throw it outside. After some time, it go decompose, it go enter ground back, it go turn to nutrient back for the soil. You get. But all these ones, so if you throw them for ground, everlasting.
the
rotting. It go just they turn to waste. They pollute the environment, and even because of our area, so we say obviously, say those states, we see the Niger Delta and all of that. Yeah, it dey easy say once all these things they pile up, they enter gutter, from gutter they don't enter river, from river they don't enter the larger waterway. So they enter, they go kill fishes like
those water bodies.
Exactly, they pollute the water bodies. As they pollute the land, and so they pollute the water bodies. So, and obviously, based on say all of these plastics, so they call them single-use plastic because as they produce them once and you take and drink, that once where you drink and you don't finish. Normally, you're supposed to throw it, go buy another one again. You get drink and throw it, drink and again throw it. So like that, yeah, the amount of these things will be waste for the environment. They increase, they build up.
Okay.
So the advantage of recycling, I be say, instead of to just the build up for the environment, they pollute the environment. You get, they go instead carry them so that instead of them to waste, they turn them to like new things. That way we say we turn them from waste into products where you fit still use again. So that's one of the major advantages of recycling. You get, so instead of wasting something, let's find an alternative use for it.
Okay, so let's see the machine then.
Okay.
Let's see the machine. So now you want to explain? Give us, Abina, the engineer. The engineer there
is
inside.
here.
Okay.
Go explain for you himself.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, so this is not the machine. This is not the machine. This is not the engineer. So this is not the engineer, like I was saying. This is not the machine where Mr. Kigbe tell us just now, say now, compress, say, but they call him baler. And the machine be this. So now the engineer will install and be this. So we'll just talk to the engineer shortly. So engineer, what be your name?
Okay, my name is Chineyenwa.
Chineyenwa. I bet you give us small volume.
Okay, my name is Chineyenwa.
Chineyenwa. Okay. So this machine, what be this machine? We all want make you tell us what this machine be. Then probably the components of the machine and what thing they do. Then that's basically what we want.
Okay, this machine is a baling machine.
Now what thing?
A baling machine.
Baling machine.
The one with the compressed plastic. So this one now the ram.
Okay, this pole.
This pole now the ram.
Okay, ram.
We go press the plastic here, compress the plastic here.
Where did they put the plastic so?
One down now, they will put the plastic here. This one at the plate.
Okay, that plate, now down there go up small.
I go come out and the plate go now. The plate go there for this here now. So if the thing they go up, you go carry.
Okay, this plate where they up so, it go there together with the ram.
It go there together with the ram.
Okay, then it go shift go up.
No, the ram go carry the plate.
They go carry the plate go up. Then
anytime one press, the ram go carry the plate go down, press finish.
Okay, go carry the plate go down. You go press am. Okay. Now be the compressing. So once you just press am like that, it don't finish. It don't do the work finish. How long did it take to compress?
Let me say 5 minutes.
5 minutes. It don't compress. Okay. So how many kg or tons this thing they feel they compress at once?
This one is let me say 50.
50 kg at once. In 5 minutes they compress 50 kg. Okay. So it get different size.
It get different size.
Okay. So it gets smaller size and bigger size.
This one are the medium size.
Okay, this is not the medium size.
This one is medium.
Okay. So what thing I want to ask you again? The components.
This one are the pump. This one are valve.
This na pump.
This one na pump. This one electric motor.
Okay, this na. Abeg show us the pump again.
See the pump here.
Okay.
This one electric motor.
Okay.
You go drive the pump so you carry oil you put inside this one. This one na valve.
Okay.
And now here you go press this thing. So
where go they carry the ram? They go up. They come down. Okay.
So this one na where you go put the oil.
Okay. That tank you go put the oil. Okay, so now oil this into the work.
No oil.
It na electric too. I mean na gas or na only that oil.
No only oil.
So you don't need electric to work.
And the electric na for this thing.
Okay, for the motor.
For the motor.
Okay, but now oil. So oil must there for it to work. Engine oil. Okay. All right. So that's all. So when you want to do this compression, only this machine person actually need. And now build am from scratch. I be on important come. I be on a do am.
We build them for our shop, Aba.
Okay, on a shop there Aba.
Our shop there, Aba.
Okay, so now from Aba on take come carry this thing come. Okay, now build am for Aba. Come transport am come Benin so. Okay. From scratch. From scratch, when I build am from scratch for Aba. Before I come carry am come Benin so. So now be say anywhere for Nigeria, una fit carry this machine.
Go. In dey go some like in don reach about 10. We don go Lagos.
Lagos. Okay, wanna construct for Aba, carry go Lagos.
Carry go Lagos.
Okay. So thank you very much, engineer.
Thank you.
So we don hear from the engineer. We go come go back to Mr. Akigbe where get the factory making still talk to us. Maybe we know the price of this thing because that last time he tell us say if you see help person set up this water compressing plastic compressor or plastic recycling factory. So now the machine be this. The machine be this. So let's go over to Mr. Kigbe. Make we talk to Mr. Kigbe. Okay, so Mr. Kigbe, we don't see the machine, we don't talk to the engineer. So what I said the last time, I still ask you something. Say, is this something that is it a market you actually see people penetrating?
Yes. This market at this point, we are even for us. You get personally, you get with the hope say we can even get more people in this market, because you know say how Benin big, you get, and although I never get the actual data, but from my own personal estimation, so I can see that Benin generates well over 1,000, well over 10,000 tons of these things
Okay, of this
every
plastic.
day, you get, because obviously I don't go some dumps, I don't go see some things for myself to know say the amount of waste we generate for this place is that much. So what I even they do now self is like a scratch. You know, the
Okay.
amount where I feed do at this point self is just a scratch in the amount of available waste you get, because I feel like for this matter, so you get, for the kind of impact we won't get for the environment, you know, everybody need to put hand together, you get, to ensure say we feed down. So yeah, it's a market that people can actually get into and penetrate. It's just a bit capital intensive to begin. But
Wait to be capital intensive.
capital intensive now.
Those as we no go school, so we fit understand that way.
Capital intensive means that it means say it costs a lot of money. Not be something you be say you go just 500,000 or 1 million, so you won't start. You that money.
Okay. So that one brings us to this question I want to ask you.
Yes.
Because the engineer tell us they get different size, the machines they get different size. This one order the medium size.
Yes, medium.
So I don't know if it would be possible for us to know the amount, how much the machines cost.
Okay, so the thing is, for this one, be as get one kind, because first for us, you don't talk, as the engineer even talk to, different sizes there, and depending on the size, it also determines the price range.
Okay.
And another thing we say now, we be say the dollar, so we don't know how they be. If the price with me, I get this my own for. You get, as when I get them, because obviously I pay for them like a long time ago before dollar start to shoot up, which we are there now. So
okay,
you get, if I won't tell you the price at this point, I go back again, go verify. Say at this very point,
it's the price is there like this.
Price, so how much you there now? Even if you don't go up, we don't go up rich.
Okay, so but can we get a rough neighborhood?
When I guess this one, I spent about 1.2.
1.2 million.
Yes.
Okay.
When I guess this one. But I know if you tell you say at this point it exactly.
You see they like that, I understand.
Yeah. If you don't, and even that 1.2 when I first like talk with the engineer, the price was higher than
okay,
that.
so you negotiate and come down.
Just negotiate back and
okay, the engineer tell us say now I buy from carry and come.
Yes,
that's true.
That's from I buy in from carry and come, this engine.
Okay.
I'm there from carry and come. So
okay, no problem. So
obviously, and as I tell you, obviously, you know, say if they get the bigger engine,
yes,
too, your money to go
increase
at least by at least minimum of at least 500,000.
Okay.
So which means if we look within the range of 1.2 million for this one way there, so if they look the bigger one,
like 1.7, 1.9
minimum, if you owe 2 million. So
okay.
The other option to getting this now, if you want important straight from abroad, and that one the price is something else.
Okay.
Even the cost of like shipping, because if you see the engine, you see in a very heavy engine.
Yes.
You get, so if you even the ship and the cost, only the cost of shipping and clearing itself, if you don't spend over 1 million first.
Okay, so that make constructing locally.
Yeah, constructing locally is even
it's economical.
Okay. To shipping in.
So alright, so thank you, sir. Maybe person one get with you, one consult you. But you be like mini consultant now. So I beg, just give us your number.
Okay, my number is 090
76 720 400.
Yeah, so my number is 090
76 720
400.
400. Now WhatsApp number be?
Now WhatsApp number. It is on WhatsApp, it is on normal call, it is everywhere.
Alright. So thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much.
God bless you.